Hi students, welcome to my channel Preeti Speaks. Today we are going to study the first activity of Water Security Standard 9th. Unit 1 Water Education, Chapter 1 Water Cycle. Here is a brief account of lesson. The name of the activity: to understand the water cycle from a replica model of the water cycle. Purpose or importance of the activity: to understand the journey of water in water cycle. Proposed time duration of the activity: I have written 1 hour. You can write according you want. Materials and apparatus required for the activity: model of water cycle, notebook, pen, pencil, scale, etc. Method of the activity: about 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water and about 29% of the Earth's surface is covered by land. The sun primarily evaporates the water in oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, and ponds on the earth. As atmospheric vapor is lighter, it rises to the sky. Due to the cold air in higher altitudes, atmospheric vapor forms clouds. Due to the cold air, water from the clouds falls on the ground in the form of rainfall or snowfall. Nearly 1/3 of the water that falls on the ground goes back to the ocean through surface flows such as rivulets, brooklets, runnels, rivers, etc., or through subsurface water flows. The remaining 2/3 of the water re-enters the atmosphere due to evaporation and transpiration of plants. The indestructible and continuous uninterrupted transition of water from one form to another is called water cycle. Evaporation, liquefaction and compression, condensation, precipitation, seepage, runoff are some of the important steps of water cycle. On the next page, diagram of water cycle. Concepts that have become clear during the activity. After studying the details of water cycle, I have understood that though the water cycle is continuous, very little fresh water is available to us. What new things did you learn? I learned the processes of condensation, evaporation and precipitation. I also learnt about the journey of water. Conclusion: though we have an uninterrupted water cycle, we have very less fresh water storages due to seepage, runoff, evaporation, etc. So we should conserve the water sources. Management of water is necessary. Write your own opinion or experience about the activity. This was a very interesting activity which has added many useful things to my knowledge. It is not in letter 2. Cooperation from the parents. My parents cooperated me a lot. They explained me the importance of this activity. They also showed me some video clips related to the subject. Opinion of the parents. The subject water security is very essential nowadays as it makes us aware of the future problems and also how we can overcome them. Persons who have helped you, teacher, parents and my classmates. List of the reference materials, model of water cycle, internet, projector, books, etc. Students, I hope this activity is useful for you. If you like it, please like, share and comment. Thank you.